So here in San Diego, there's this area called Old Town, which is supposed to be a representation of how they used to live back in the days in the 1850s and 60s. We're gonna walk around this area and show you how people used to live here back in the day. The things they used to use, the things they used to do.
Should take a picture of this and give the money.
Would you be able to stop this?
What are you going to?
Oh, yo, that one's fire. Look at that.
So is this what people? Is this where this came from? San Diego?
Actually, I manufacture this at my house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's pretty simple. You just
Local.
Yeah.
Give me a company name. I'll give it a shout out.
Divi Swag.
Wind Chimes LLC. Hit us up at
windchimes.edu. You know what I'm saying? We like to educate.
It's been tested once last month.
You see us taking you go on. That's great.
You like that one?
You do crazy here, bro.
So these vessels is where they would store food back in the days. Meat, fish, seeds. They used to protect it from thieves, from the weather. And it would keep it cool. Kind of like a refrigerator without any electricity.
David, stand up. David, stand up.
So each of these rocks is meant to represent some sort of energy. This one, for example, will guard you from any negative energies and emotions. Interesting. This one is for success. I gotta get me one of these. Are you guys buying any rocks?
We're just gathering the energy from the rocks. We're sucking the energy out of it. Take a handful, you're set for the month. The first mask that Rey Mysterio ever used in his WWE match.
Is this a replica of it?
Yeah, no, this is the original one that he wore.
How much are they selling it for?
I would guess around like $100. Educated guess. He goes best.
we kept going towards him, and then he was like, bro, they went that way. We went all over there. You guys were with us. Can we get a beer?
We're gonna try every restaurant.
Oh, we got bananas.
Okay.
अरे भाई पेट में जगह हो तो ना ब्रो ये भी जगह पे पिज़्ज़ा है ब्रो लंच में ब्रो all those views bro oh yo they have like no photos or recording
Oh, they said that?
with merchandise bro but
Puppet.
Skinny Cookie Monster, bro. Skinny Cookie Monster.
That's how you get the full experience of a country.
One crazy thing about South California is the variety of plants. You see some stuff here that you will never see anywhere else.
Yeah, if you sit down here, it goes up in your ass and you feel a nice sensation in your body.
This one,
I would
right?
recommend.
Go do it. Give us a live demo.
Look at this beautiful specimen. Just imagine.
We don't have to imagine this, bro.